How are we feeling?
I'm cold. I'm excited, but more nervous, but you know, just gonna go for it. I'm excited to be in the meeting because I want to know how the custom implementation works. And yeah, I want to learn that. And because I've been watching a lot of jumpstart videos, and I've always wondered what's the custom implementation is like. So
Yeah.
oh, sorry, I got too close.
I guess the day is going really, really well. Better than I could have thought. The team's getting along. Amanda and Ross are just absolutely awesome. It's so nice to work with really beautiful people and then help them here in Melbourne at the Build Your Business Workshop literally change and reframe the way they looked at business for the past 30 years. It's been rewarding and it's exciting. I always use the word exciting, but today really is, because I'm actually seeing how much of a difference this is going to make in their business, and just their feedback and being in their presence and having them here with us has been great. So looking forward to how we feel at the end of the day, but so far so good.
Merritt Joinery. Amanda, how do you feel? It's 5:30 p.m. We've had a huge day. I'm wrecked. How are you feeling?
I actually feel, I'm a bit drained, but I actually feel excited. Like I can see the growth it's going to make for us.
It's going to be an uphill battle. Do you feel like you're ready for it?
Yep.
And after coming to see me and the team here at Melbourne, do you feel like that's made a difference?
Yes, I actually can understand how it works better, way better.
If you're a joiner or a cabinet maker, small business owner, somebody looking to retire or pass on a business, and you know that the systems and tech is the future and that's the way to go, but you don't know where to begin, it's not don't worry. On one hand, you should be very worried because that shit is moving so fast. On the other hand, we're here to guide you through it. So worry enough to pick up the phone and call one of us. And then don't worry, because when you've called us, even if you don't know what to do, like we do, that's why we exist and that's what we do. So yeah, use the fear and the anger and the upsetness to be like, I've plateaued, I've stalled, AI's coming, tech's coming. Yet use that as fuel to pick up the phone and call Empire Blueprint. As soon as you've spoken to one of us, then don't worry, because then you're in safe hands. Like now we're ready to get you there. We can hold your hand, we can guide you to where you gotta go. That's all that we do. You're the only people that we do it for, and we're fucking great at it. And it's just like, pick up the phone and call, rush to do that.